Hi guys, in this video we will be looking at mathematics paper 2 grade 10, right? As we know that in grade 10 paper 2 consists of data handling, as you can see from question 1 and 2, it's data handling. Then the third question consists of analytical geometry, as you can see from there. That's analytical geometry. Then the fourth question consists of trigonometry, and the fifth question. So we also have trigonometric graphs. Then there's measurement. Then lastly, there is geometry. There is geometry. The paper is out of 100, right? So in today's video, we will be looking at question 1. Yes, we will delve on question 1. So we'll be working on question 1. So if you're new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe. You only subscribe once, like and comment. Right, so let's start with question 1. They said the height of 18 grade 8 learners were recorded in centimeter as shown below. Use the data below to answer the question that follow. You're given 147, 131, 142, 133, 152, 125. As we can see, we also have 110, 165. The highest number is 165. So if we were to write this in a stem and leaf, we will go 11. We'll start with 11 because why I say 11? Because that's 110. 110 is the smallest. So we'll start with 11. 12 until 16, right? Let's put that into practice. At 1.1 they said represent the data on stem and leaf diagram. Question 4. 4 marks, not question 4. 4 marks, right? Let's put that into practice. So we are having 1.1. So we have stem. We'll say stem here. Then you also say leaf. Just as I've said, we start with 11, 12, and at 16. Because why ending at 16? Because 165 is the highest. So it's going to be 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, right? So we have the smallest there, which is 110. So you'll put 0 here. So you can see this is 110. Then followed by 125, followed by 128, 129, 129, we have two 129 there, followed by 130, 131, 133, 139. We also have 142, right? So we need to look very careful. Let me just take a look there. So it's 142, 143, 147, 151, 152, 153, 162, 162, and 165. You may ask yourself, where did this data coming from? Remember, it comes from here, guys. Comes from here. You have 110, 125, 128, 129. You also have 129. You also have 130, 131. So that's how we came up with that data. So we have represented data on a stem and leaf diagram. That's 4 marks. If additionally you can put a key, your key can be, in this case it will be 13. It will be 133 actually. So your key will be 13 and 3, so that will give you 133. So it's very essential to also know how to find the key. So but that's how, guys, we can represent the data on a stem and leaf diagram. Hope you have learned something from this. So we go to 1.2. At 1.2 they said determine the median, the mode, the lower quartile and the upper quartile, Q1 and Q3. And 1.2.4, at 1.2.4 they want us to find the mean. Let's put that into practice, guys. So first thing first, we'll start with 1.2. I'll arrange my data. That's 110, followed by what? 125, followed by what? Followed by 128, followed by 129, 129. Oh, sorry for that, that's 129. Then we have 130. Then we have 131. Then we have 133. We have 139. We also have 142, 143. And let's go. We also have 147, 151, 152, 153. Remember, you need to arrange it in an ascending order. So you have 151, 152, 153, 162, 162. Ascending order means from the smallest to the biggest. So it's very essential. 165. Okay, so that's our that. So remember, they said the height. These are the height of 18 grade 8 learners. So since it's 18, we'll count 99. So we're able to find the median, right? Okay, we'll find what is the median here. So I'll count from the left hand side. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So I'll put a dot here. So from the right hand side, it will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So meaning that this is where our Q2 will be, right? This is where our Q2 will be. Let's look for Q1 so that I can answer the other questions. So how many numbers are we left with? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I'll count 4. Okay, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm looking for Q1 now. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is where our Q1 will be. So what about Q3? Remember, we are left with 1. Sorry for that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So for us to calculate, we calculate 4, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, we'll start again here. 1. Okay. 2, 3, 4. So this is where our Q3 will come from. So let's start with Q median. Remember, the median is Q2, guys, according to our 5-number summary. So we are going to start with Q2. Q2, we said it's 139 plus 142. That's a middle value, guys, right? So it will be 139 plus 142 divided by 2, right? We divide by 2. So you add these numbers and divide by 2. What is 139 plus 142 divided by 2, guys? That will be 140,5. So that's the median in this case, right? So that's how you can calculate 1.2.1. For 1.2.2, remember they talk about mode. For 1.1.2, they said we need to find the mode. The mode, guys, is the number that appears the most. We can see that 129 did appear twice. We also saw that 162 appeared twice. So our mode, it's 129 and 162. Those are our mode, the most frequent values on a data set. Then we also have 1.2.3. They said we need to determine the lower quartile. Remember, the lower quartile, you will add, I did show you that since we had our Q2, we will calculate how many have the half data set here. We said that there are 8 numbers. So in each we'll calculate 4. We also calculated 4, and we saw that these 2 numbers are the middle values. Then we'll add these 2 to find our lower quartile. So in other words, that will be 129. That will be 129 plus 129 divided by 2. What is that? It means that your Q1 or your lower quartile, remember, if you have 2 numbers in the middle, you divide by 2. Unless if there are not 2 numbers, only 1 number, you just put it the way as it is. So in this case, when we say 129 plus 129 divided by 2, That will give us 129. That's a lower quartile. Then we also have Q3, which is the upper quartile. The upper quartile, guys. So in this case, I'm going to add 152. 152 plus 153 divided by 2. What am I getting? I'm getting 152,5. So those are my solutions there. Those are my solution. So at 1.2.4, what they were looking for, it's a mean. A mean, guys, it's x bar, which is equals to the sum of data, sigma x, sum of data divided by the number of data. So remember there were 18 learners there. Remember there were 18. The height of it's 18. The height of 18 grade 8 learners. So the height of 18 grade 8 learners. So we're going to put 18 them. So I'm going to sum up everything here. So I'm going to say 110 plus 125 plus 129 plus 130 plus 131 plus 133 plus 139 plus 142 plus 143 plus 147 plus 141, plus 147 plus 151 plus 152 plus 153 plus 162 plus 162 plus 165. That gives me 2531 or 2531. Right, let me calculate this. 2531 divided by 18, that gives me 140,61. That is our mean. That is our mean, guys. So that's how you can work out question 1. That's how you can work out question 1. So now I'll take you to question 2, guys. I'll take you to question 2. They said the figures in the table below are the ages to the nearest year of a random sample of 30 negotiating in mortgage in a bank. Use the data below to answer the question that follow. So we need to complete the frequency table on the diagram provided in your answer book. All right. We need to complete this table actually. First thing first, you will have to calculate the interval, those from the each interval, those from 25 to 33, and those from 33 to 41, right? And those from 41 to 49, and those from 49 to 57. Then we will then have to draw the box and whisker, right? So that's how, guys, you're going to work out with question 2. Hope you did understood what was happening on question 1, where we did work out with an ungrouped data. Question 2 will be working with a group data. See you on our next video. This is part 1 video of our statistics as we are preparing for November 2024 paper 2. Hope you benefited, and I hope you saw how do we calculate the mean, the mode, and the median, the lower quartile, as well as how to treat stem and leaf. Wishing you all the best. See you on the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, or you only subscribe once. And we love you.